side.
Look, that don't, does that match? Nope, don't match. See the flat surface? Gonna put it on the flat surface. It's gonna go on this side. Flip it over. Looks like a donut. I mean, a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, it does. Good job.
It's a little bit far.
Mr. Specific.
Slide it back. Slide it back.
This one?
Daddy, see? Daddy, go for that. Put the other swirl on.
Yeah. I'm going to get this part.
He wants the big part too. He's doing the big part.
Doing the big part. Here's this part.
Ooh. Which one was that? The wing top? Goes across the top.
Ooh, that one's sticky. Let Daddy help you with that.
Thank you so
Do that again.
very well. I think these are the extra stickers.
It might be so sticky.
That one's really sticky. Flatten it out. Smooth it all over. There you go.
Nice.
There. Now I have an airplane.
What we're gonna do?